Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a retirement fund with Rowe Price easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin creating a retirement fund with Rowe Price, visit the official Rowe Price website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on the button to start the process. You will be prompted to select the type of account you wish to open. Choose retirement accounts from the available options. Next, review the different retirement account types offered. Consider options like traditional IRAs or Roth IRAs depending on your financial goals. Select the account type that best suits your retirement strategy. Once selected, click on Get Started to proceed. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Fill in all required fields accurately. After entering your personal details, create a secure username and password. This will allow you to access your account in the future. Next, you will be asked to provide financial information. Detail your employment status, annual income, and investment experience. This information helps Rowe Price tailor recommendations for you. Afterward, review the account terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the fees, investment options, and withdrawal rules. If everything looks good, accept the terms to move forward. Then, fund your retirement account. You can do this through bank transfer, check, or rollover from another retirement account. Choose the funding method that is most convenient for you. Next, decide how you want to invest your funds. Explore various investment options like mutual funds and ETFs offered by Rowe Price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.